Tuesday, partly cloudy. Rain through the day. Lows in the mid-40s. Highs in the mid-50s. Wednesday, partly cloudy. A chance of rain through the night. Lows in the lower 30s. Highs in the mid-40s. This hazardous weather outlook is for portions of eastern West Virginia, northern and central Virginia, and central and western Maryland. Day 1, tonight. No hazardous weather is expected at this time. Days 2 through 7, Saturday through Thursday. There is a slight winter storm threat Sunday and Sunday night. A wintry mix is likely along and west of the Blue Ridge Mountains with accumulating snow and ice. The best chance for accumulating snow and ice will be along the ridges of the Blue Ridge Mountains and Potomac Highlands. If the threat materializes, there may be travel disruptions. Spotter information statement. Spotter activation is not expected at this time.